So this is how you can enable 5G on your iPhone iOS 18. It's actually a very simple fix. You're going to want to go to your settings, and here we are. As you can see, at the top, that is your cellular data. You're going to want to tap on that, and now it's going to show us a few options. We're simply going to want to tap on cellular data options, and that brings us back to two buttons, voice data and data mode. You're going to want to tap on voice data, and here you go. As you can see, you can tap on 5G auto, 5G on, or whatever comes up at the bottom because I think it's different per country. But basically, you're going to want to tap on 5G on. As you can see, it says 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. If you want, you could also tap on 5G auto, which uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life. Now, I recommend putting on 5G auto because as you can see, it says it preserves your battery life while 5G on actually reduces it. So you're still going to be able to use 5G, but only when you actually need it. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.